In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to GitHub pages. This is an essential step to make your website accessible to the world using a custom domain. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your GitHub repository. Log into your GitHub account and head to the specific repository where your project's code is hosted. This is where all the magic happens, as it's the foundation of your future website. Once you're in, keep an eye out for the Settings tab. You'll find it on the top menu of the repository page. Click on that, and it will lead you to a multitude of options to configure your project. Now, within the Settings page, look for the Pages section. This is usually listed in the left-hand navigation pane. Pages allow you to publish content directly from your GitHub repository, making it an excellent tool for hosting personal websites, project sites, and more, all aligned with your coding projects. Once you've clicked into Pages, scroll down to find the Custom Domain section. This is where you'll link your GoDaddy domain to your GitHub Pages site. You'll see an input box here. It's time to enter your domain name. Be sure to correctly type either example.com or www.example.com, depending on your preferences. Having a custom domain not only makes your site appear more professional, but also makes it easier for people to find your content. After you've entered the domain name, click the Save button. This action kicks off the process where GitHub begins checking your DNS configuration. You might be wondering, what exactly is DNS configuration? DNS, or Domain Name System, is like an address book for the internet. It ensures that your domain directs users to the correct web location. In this case, your GitHub Pages site. It's important to note that after saving, the DNS configuration might not be instantaneous. This process can take some time, ranging from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on your DNS provider. Patience is key here. While you wait, you can double-check your settings in GoDaddy to make sure everything is pointing in the right direction. Ensure that your DNS records are set to use GitHub servers, or as instructed by their documentation. To sum up, linking a GoDaddy domain to GitHub Pages involves opening your repository, navigating through settings, entering your custom domain, and saving the details. And with these steps complete, you'll soon have your custom GoDaddy domain correctly linked to your GitHub Pages project, ready for the world to see your work. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and you're now equipped with the know-how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your GitHub Pages site effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy coding!